In this video, I will show you how to make this crochet basket made with alpine stitch for your doll. You can use it to put a plant or just as a storage. Let's get started. To make this basket, you will need DK yarn. I use Melissa Platinum Cotton, 4 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. Start making a magic ring. Chain 2. And inside this magic ring we will make 12 double crochet. This chain of 2 we've already made, we will not count as a stitch. So make 12 double crochet inside your magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now you can close this hole and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet we made, so here. Okay, right now we will chain 2. Again, this chain of 2 we will not count as a stitch, and starting from this very first stitch we will make increases, so 2 double crochet in each stitch. 1 and 2. In the next space we will make stitches number 3 and 4. In the next one, stitches number 5 and 6. And just continue working like this, making 2 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the end, so you will have 24 stitches. I've just made my last increase, and right now again I will make a slip stitch into the first double crochet we made. This will be the size of the base of my basket, but if you want to make it bigger, right now you will just chain 2, and again starting from the first stitch you will make increase in the first one, and in the next stitch you will make 1 double crochet. Again, increase, double crochet, all around until you have 36 stitches. But as I said, I will stay with this size. So right now I will chain 2. Again, I will not count this as a stitch. Yarn over, and I will work double crochet, just 1 in each stitch, all over, but only in back loop. So I will insert my hook here, only into the back loop of this stitch, and make a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert just in back loop, and make a double crochet. And just keep going all over until you have a total of 24 stitches. I'm making my last double crochet. Okay, so we made here this edge as we were working just in back loop. Now again, make a slip stitch into this first double crochet of this round. This is how it looks like already. And right now we will start to work our alpine stitch. So, chain 2. Again, this chain 2 we will not count as a stitch. And our first double crochet we will work as a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook here behind this post of double crochet of previous round, and make a double crochet. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now, second double crochet will work in the next stitch as usual. So just here as a regular double crochet. Okay. Next one, this one, again, we will work as a front post double crochet. So this post we have on the front of our hook. Make a double crochet. Again, the next one, we will work as a regular double crochet. And just keep working like this, making one front post double crochet and one regular double crochet all over until you have again 24 stitches. I'm finishing this round. As you can see, my last double crochet is a regular one, as we started with front post double crochet. Now we will make a slip stitch into this first front post double crochet, and this is what we have already. Now again chain 2, and this next round we will work opposite way. So where we made a front post double crochet, we will make a regular double crochet. Okay. And here, the next one, as we were working as a regular double crochet, we will work as a front post double crochet. Okay. Next one, again, we can see that it's like more on the front. So this one was front post double crochet. Here we will work a regular double crochet. And the next one, we can see that it's a little bit like on the back. We will work as a front post double crochet. So just alternating again, first double crochet and later front post double crochet. So just keep going to the end of this round. As we started this round with a regular double crochet, our last stitch will be a front post double crochet. Okay, so again, we will make a slip stitch into this first double crochet we made, and this will be whole pattern. So again, chain 2. Once again, this round we will work first making front post double crochet and later double crochet, and the next one we will work making first double crochet and later front post double crochet. So just keep growing your basket until desired length. I made 3 rounds more, so I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds on the side. And right now I will just chain 1. Obviously you can make it bigger or smaller. I will chain 1 and I will just finish my edge with single crochet. So right now in each stitch I will make just 1 single crochet all over to have a total again of 24 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet we made. Now I will just chain 1 and cut this yarn. The last thing you have to do is to weave in the end, this one and this one inside, and your basket with alpin stitch is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.